Hi, I wanted to give you an example of an infographic because I know we haven't been dealing with this at all until this point. We've been dealing with pure text itself. For some of you, this will be fun because you're artistic or creative or you just want something different. Others of you, I'm worried, might be a little nervous. Please don't worry. This is not a graphic design course, so I am going to be grading you totally on imagination and effort. I wanted to give you an example today of one that was done a long time ago, 6 years ago. Look at that, 2017. I chose this one not only because it's good, but also because it's dealing with a topic that many of you dealt with in your research paper, social media's impact on teens today. This is by David Wallace, and it was first seen in Infographic Journal way back then. Now, let's look at it a little bit. Notice it's busy, deals a lot with images, and plays with fonts. Have a field day with fonts. This one I think is a little bit difficult to read, but the person obviously had fun with it. Wallace, that was his name, right? Now, here's what he's doing. He's putting his thesis right here. Social media has changed the world forever, impacts our lives every day. Sadly, oh, that's a comma splice, isn't it? Sadly, this could be big trouble for teens struggling with self-esteem today. That's the argument, and he is going to present it through this infographic. Incredible things. First of all, he starts just as I asked y'all to when I said your second paragraph should be the rebuttal. Why are you wrong? And so he does this with his infographic. Incredible things social media does for teens today. Talks about what it does, provides immediate access, creates many new forms of communication, connects people on a global scale. You'll notice he has a theme running through this entire infographic. Did you know? With short little blurbs with data there. So you see a teenager who is very happy with her laptop, but then you have a slash and somebody who is sad. Now he's going to get into his thesis, the problems social media has created for teens today. And now the same font for each one of the problems. Social media can become addictive, and explains that another did you know data thing. Rise in online dangers. Notice that's the same font as before with the different things. Increase in poor communication, and then self-esteem issues. Social metrics influence a teen's happiness. Oh, there should be an apostrophe there. I'm seeing grammatical problems here, aren't I? Another did you know? It drowns teens by comparing their lives with others. There's a lot of information in this infographic. I would tell this person to comment, narrow it down a little bit, calm it down a little bit. Teen self-esteem issues with all of these. Another did you know? And now the end, the conclusion, the solution, how to help teens understand. And then these almost bullet points here to help the teens. And you see the adult with her arm around the teenager and pointing out something on the screen. Noticed sources, URLs. If you take something from somebody, be sure to explain where it came from. All right, let me know if you have any other questions.